Hello, this is Ammar Adel, an English instructor. Today we are starting a course, a general English course, in which we are going to learn listening, reading, and writing. We will increase our vocabulary, we're going to learn pronunciation rules and spelling rules. So let's start. At first you need to know that we have a WhatsApp group in which we are going to practice every lesson we're going to take. Let's start with our first lesson. Hello. It's known that English has 26 letters. But these letters, do they give only 26 sounds? Let's say, a letter like A, for example. The letter A, it can be in a word like car. Listen to the sound, car, ah. So the letter A has a sound ah, car, bar. Okay, and in a word like care, the letter A can be in a word like care, care. So you can see that here it has different sound. A, care. Okay, number 3, it can be in a word like cat, cat. You can see the sound here is also different. Ah, cat. So the letter A, it can give 3 sounds. A, as in car, A, as in care, and A, as in cat. So one letter can give 3 sounds. Well, so the letters, they give more than 24 sounds. They give actually 44 sounds. That's why we need to learn the sounds in English. Today we will focus about some letters that they give more than 1 sound. For example, let's start with the first letter that we have today, which is the letter C. Okay, the letter C, it can be in a word like cat, ka, so it gives the sound ka. Or it can be in a word like cereal, cereal, so it gives the sound sa, cereal. I'm hungry. Okay, so the C can give the ka sound or the sa sound. But the question is, when do we say it ka and when do we say it sa? Well, it depends on the following sound. If after the C we have one of these letters, I, E, or Y, we say sa. For example, cinema. After the C we have I, so we say cinema. Okay, another example is the word cereal. After the C we have E, so we say sa, cereal. Okay, but if I have any other letter, for example, cry, we have R, it's not one of the 3 that we said them, so we say ka, ka, cry, cry. Okay, or a word like, for example, cat, after it we have A, it's not one of the 3, so we say cat, cat, cat. Okay, now try reading this word. Yes, it's cream, cream, not cream, it's cream, ice cream, okay? Because this is a common mistake. It's not ice cream, it's ice cream. Okay, very good. Now let's look at another letter. This one is G. This is the name, but what about the sounds? Well, it can be ja, as in gem, or it can be ga, as in girl. Okay, so when do we say it ja and when do we say it ga? It depends also on the following sound. If after the G I have a letter like Y or E, I say j. For example, gem, general. Otherwise, any other letter, I say ga, for example, go, and a word like girl. There are some irregular words. Some words will not follow the rules, but this is a general rule. Okay, just notice that when I add the letter H to C, it's gonna be ch, ch. For example, chat, or chair. Repeat after me. Chair, chat. And if I add a letter like H to the letter G, it is gonna be f sound, as in laugh or enough. Sometimes it's silent, as in light or night. If I have a letter like I before it, it's silent, like light or night or fight. Well, now let's practice. I want you to look at the sentence and try to read it using the rules that we learned today. Stop the video, start reading. Very good. Now listen to me and correct for yourself. Chappy, 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 saw a girl, girl, after the G we have I, so girl, when he was driving to the gym, gym. After the G here we have Y, so we say gym. Okay, very good. Now let's practice listening. You're going to listen and choose is it 1 or 2, option 1 or option 2. Listen carefully. Number 1, laugh, laugh. Did I say 1 or 2? Okay, if you chose laugh, so that's correct, because the f, the GH gives the sound f, laugh. This one is lunch, lunch. Okay, now listen to number 2, jean, jean. Okay, is it 1 or 2? Very good, it's jean, because after it we have E, so it's jean. The other one after it we have A, so it's gonna be gain, gain. Jean, gain. Okay, now listen to the last example. Seize, seize. Is it 1 or 2? Very good, it's seize, because after it we have E, so we should say seize. But this one after it we have A, so we should say case. Thank you for watching. This is the first lesson. Follow us and do the subscribe. Okay, subscribe the channel so you can see the next lessons. And don't forget also to join our chat. I will put in the description 2 links. One for the girls group and one for the boys group. Chats on WhatsApp, okay? So we can exercise, we can have conversation using the lesson that we are going to learn. See you.